Good morning, my dear students. How are you all today? I hope you all are doing really good and practicing all the alphabets as well as sounds, right? So, today, children, we will be learning a new sound, a new letter, and we are going to hear a new story. Okay, but first, we will do our prayer. Okay, everyone, join your hands, close your eyes, and repeat the prayer after me. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Alright, children, so here is the story for you all. The letter for today, the letter that we are learning today is letter G. Now, let's see what is the story. The story name is Gauri Meets a Giraffe. What is the story name? Gauri Meets a Giraffe. Now, we will see what is the story. गौरी इज अ लिटिल गर्ल ना हु इज गौरी गौरी कौन है गौरी छोटी बच्ची है बिल्कुल आपकी तरह शी इज अ लिटिल गर्ल and she loved to eat guava and grapes. See children, this is guava. Guava is a fruit. Guava and grapes. Grapes is also a fruit. Can you see? Guava and grapes. She loved to eat guava and grapes. उसे बहुत पसंद था guava and grapes खाना. ठीक है? These two fruits she loved to eat. Now, Gogo the goat. Can you see the goat? This goat name is Gogo. Gogo the goat is her good friend. जो गोगो गोट है ना वो गौरी का बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है. They used to go together, they used to play, they used to eat together. मतलब वो उसके साथ ही रहती थी हमेशा. गौरी and Gogo used to be together always. Okay, and they used to go to the garden together. Garden भी जाते थे वो लोग दोनों साथ में. One day, you know what happened? One day, they meet Guinea. Now, who was Guinea? Guinea कौन है? Gauri and Gogo were walking towards the garden and they meet Guinea. Guinea was the baby giraffe. Guinea क्या है? Guinea कौन है? Guinea is a baby giraffe. कौन है? Baby giraffe. He was sitting alone in the garden. क्या हो गया? बेबी जिराफ वॉज सिटिंग इन द गार्डन ऑल अलोन. वो ऐसे अकेले बैठे हुए थे गार्डन में. बेबी जिराफ वॉज सिटिंग ऑल अलोन. देन गौरी एंड गोगो वेंट नियर गिनी द बेबी जिराफ एंड आस्क्ड, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग योर गिनी? आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो? व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? दे बोथ आस्क्ड द बेबी जिराफ कि आप यहाँ क्या कर रहे हो. एंड बेबी जिराफ का नाम क्या था? Guinea. So Gauri and Gogo asked the baby giraffe, "What are you doing here, Guinea?" Then Guinea said, the baby giraffe said, "I want to go to the green forest." He said, "I want to go to the green forest, but I cannot go alone. That's why I'm sitting here." मतलब क्या हुआ? मुझे ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट में जाना है बट मैं अकेले नहीं जा सकता हूँ, इसीलिए मैं यहाँ अकेले गार्डन में बैठा हूँ. Then Gogo and Gauri thought of an idea. What they thought? Thought of an idea. They said, उन्होंने बेबी जिराफ को क्या बोला पता है? कम. बेबी जिराफ को गौरी ने क्या बोला? कम, वी विल टेक यू देयर. हम आपको लेके जाएंगे. यू डोंट वरी, यू कैन कम विद अस. हम आपको कहाँ लेके जाएंगे? ग्रीन फॉरेस्ट में. And listening to this, the baby giraffe got very happy and he was very excited. Wow, मैं अभी कहाँ जाऊँगा? मैं तो अभी फॉरेस्ट चला जाऊँगा with the help of Gogo and Gauri. And they went, walking towards the green forest. वो लोग green forest की तरफ निकल गए. Now in between Gogo the goat, Guinea the baby giraffe got really hungry. वो लोगों को बहुत भूख लगने लग गई. तो उन्होंने क्या बोला? ओ माई गॉड, वी आर सो हंग्री, हम आगे नहीं जा सकते, वी आर सो हंग्री. देन गौरी थॉट of an idea. let's get some grasses. Then Gauri ran and got some grass and gave it to Ginny and Gogo. Can you see Gogo is eating grass? Yes, Gogo, and Gauri is holding also grass in her hand, green grass, right children? So she gave it to Gogo and Ginny. Now eating, they reached to the forest. कहाँ पहुँच गए वो लोग? Forest में, right children? So the baby giraffe was very happy. Ginny was very happy. The baby giraffe was very happy. And the baby giraffe used a golden word. Now which golden word was that? Think which golden word he will use to for Gauri and Gogo. The baby giraffe said, "Thank you so much, Gauri and Gogo, for helping me and taking me to the green forest." So baby giraffe was very thankful. उसने उन दोनों को थैंक यू बोला बिकॉज उन दोनों ने उसकी हेल्प किया. तो जब आपको कोई हेल्प करता है, what you say thank you. And Gauri and Gogo also became very happy listening to that golden word. And they also used another golden word, that is, "You're most welcome." What did Gauri and Gogo said? "You're most welcome." So children, this was the story of Gauri meets a giraffe. Now we will listen to the sound of letter G from your textbook, and then we will write. So let's start, children. Okay children, so now you will be hearing the sound of the letter G. Can you see how letter G looks like? Now we will listen to the sound and we will write it. Now listen carefully, okay? Okay.
Let us learn about the letter G. I am the letter G and I make the sound G. G as in goat and G as in goose. Sometimes I make the sound J as in giraffe. G is for my garden, for the grass that's all around. G is for the green grapes that have fallen on the ground.
Okay children, so did you hear the sound of letter G? It says G. G as in Gogo the goat. G as in Gauri, right from the story. Sometimes I make the sound J as in giraffe, the baby giraffe from the story, right? The baby giraffe. So children, this is the sound for letter G. Now we will hear again what all things starts with the sound of letter G.
Listen to the sound of the letter G. Goat, goose, gift, garden, gorilla, gap.
Okay, so children, this is the sound of letter G. Now we will learn how to write letter G. Okay, we will learn how to write the big letter G and the small letter G. Okay children, so are you all ready to write it with me? Yes? Chalo, let's write it together. Okay, let's start. Very good children. Okay children, so just now what we learned about the letter G. The sound of letter G is G, or sometimes I make the sound letter G as in giraffe. So J and G is for the sound letter G. Now children, we will be writing the big letter G and the small letter G. First we will be completing this part, the capital G, the big G, and then we will write the small g, the lowercase g. So start tracing first the capital, the uppercase G. Come on everyone, if you can see this, first you are going to trace it over here. आप सबसे पहले आप क्या करोगे? First what you are going to do? First you are going to make a curve. ठीक है? First you are going to make properly a curve. Okay, Now what they are doing children, after that what they are doing, इधर तक कर्व बना के आपको क्या करना है, you have to make up one small sleeping line and one standing line makes the letter G. Okay, पहले एक कर्व बनाना है, then one sleeping line, then one standing line. ओके, सो यहाँ पर अभी हमने ट्रेस कर लिया है. नाउ वी विल सी हाउ टू राइट इट इन दिस. ओके, इन दीज रेड एंड ब्लू लाइन्स आपको यहाँ पे कैसे करना है. नाउ आई विल शो यू वंस अगेन. सो फर्स्ट, वेरी फर्स्ट, व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, you are going to look carefully. What you're going to do, you're going to make one curve from the red line till the blue line. You're going to make one curve, then slowly go up till the blue line, make a sleeping line, then come back till the blue line. That is the letter G. Now once again, if we see, make a curve from the red line till the blue line. Now go up. Now make a sleeping line and a standing line makes the letter G. Now once again, if I show you children, this is very simple. You have just need to practice. Okay, so start from the red line, make a curve, start from the red line, go up, make sleeping line and one standing line. So if children, again if I show you over here again, so see here. Okay, see how you're going to do. Make one curve starting from the red line. Okay, starting from the red line till the blue line आपका कर्व बना. सी थोड़ा सा ऐसे ऊपर, then one sleeping line, one standing line. Like this makes the letter G, the uppercase G. Okay, now children, we will be making the lowercase G. Okay, so let's start. First, what you're going to do, children, again first you're going to make a small curve. Children, look carefully. A small curve you're going to make. ठीक है, आपने इतना कर्व बना दिया. Okay, then what you're going to do, you're going to join with this curve one standing line and a little curve in the down. पहले आपने एक कर्व बना दिया, a full curve you're going to make. Then from the up you're going to start one standing line. नीचे यहाँ कर्व तक आके, ये कर्व तक आके, what you're going to do, you're going to make a little curve and makes the small letter G. Over here, what is this? Globe. This is a globe. Okay, now we will write in the red and the blue lines, children. As you can clearly see, this is the small we are going to start with the blue line. देखो, जो छोटा है वो आपको small curve you are going to make it from the blue line. आपने एक curve बना दिया. Then from the blue line again you are going to start ऐसे एक स्लीपिंग लाइन, ऐसे एक स्टैंडिंग लाइन एंड वन कर्व. लाइक दिस मेक्स द लेटर G. वंस अगेन अ स्मॉल कर्व इन द ब्लू लाइन. सी लाइक दिस. नाउ वन स्टैंडिंग लाइन, इधर से ब्लू लाइन से स्टार्ट होके नीचे आके टच द रेड लाइन एंड मेक द कर्व. यू हैव टू टच दिस रेड लाइन. ओके, see once again I'm showing you one curve, stop till the curve, then start like this and makes the letter G. Like this you are going to complete this whole page. Also you're going to write it in the notebook. 2 pages you are going to complete. This is the letter G. Which letter is this? This is the letter G. You are going to complete this page, plus you are going to practice the sounds as well. Okay children, so I will see you in the next video with the new alphabet, with the new sound. By the time you have to keep practicing, अब तक के जितने भी alphabets हुए हैं, you have to keep practicing. Okay, bye all of you, take care, have a good day.